What's up, y'all? We have got the 3D printer rocking. I have got an idea. We're gonna take these legs, right? So we get the turkey legs, we got a beard, and I have a mount in the house that has the fan, Minnesota, the state of Minnesota on there, and it's like a shelf. So got this idea where I could take those legs, mount them to that shelf in a way where I could organize the harvest and the memories and honor the animal in a way. So we have got a little thing brewing right here. It is about 89% complete. I can't wait to show you how this is going to work. It's going to be pretty sweet. Stay tuned. All right, the turkey mount just completed. Now we get to see if it actually works. Main man just actually literally walked in the door with the tape measure because we're working on another project. I don't know, you want to let them know what it is? You want a little sneak preview? Yeah? All right, what are you working on, buddy?
A chisel holder.
A chisel holder. What's that for?
Grandpa.
Grandpa?
Yeah.
All right. So you got the, oh yeah, look at that, a little sneak preview. Busting out on Tinkercad, and yeah. So let's check out this. Let's check out this turkey holder. Caden, you want to pull it off?
Yeah.
All right. Careful. All right. That's one way to be careful. Look at that. Check this out. Oh, that's warm yet. The Narrows 2020 bow kill April 17th. This is pretty sweet, huh? Let's see if the grandpa calls them toenails. Let's see if they fit in the beard, huh? Let's check it out. All right, so we got our turkey mount, and I think I was just showing this. It just came off of the printer. Moment of truth. We got our 2 feet from my harvest in 2020. This is my first bird with the bow, and we got the beard. And this is going to be a holder for the feet and the beard that goes on to the mount that's in the house already. So it's meant for the feet to fit in here like this. The beard is going to sit in here like this. So we'll just bring that to the top. This goes in here like this, and like that, snaps into place. And you have a beard holder. We're going to take this into the house and show you the final product.